Alright, so in this video we're looking about over the function, right? So what is function? Function is basically that a block of code, right? Or function is something task. You can think of it this way. And what happen is usually stop and turn. Right? So usually we write this way, right? Sequential manner. But the problem with this code is suppose you have to use this code say again and again, right? Same line of code. So you will be writing it again here too, right? So this will actually create loss of memory the, and it might going to take lots of extra time for writing this again, again, again. You can do it copy and paste, but actually it will take lots of memory. You can think of one of the problem. So to avoid these things, we usually use the function. So Python provide function as other programming languages provide. So we'll be looking at the function with example. Right. So it's function. So function, the first you have to define the function. Suppose you want to define a function for printing even number, right? So print even numbers. And till now, we're not passing the parameter here, right? So you can pass the parameter as well. So okay, let's make a program for writing a function which print name, right? Name of people. So this will take an argument here. And so you just provide the name and simply print the name here. Or for fun, you could do it this way. Okay, so right, so now you simply call this function name solid. So just pass this string here. You can see it here. Print name proceed here. Print name name of a book, suppose Quran. So print it here. So you can see here we are just writing two lines of code and we're using it again and again, right? And by just only have to do is just replace the values, right? So the function is useful this way, right? And we're looking at more complex and more detail in coming videos, right? Coming videos. So that's it about the basics of programs, and maybe these videos will help you in understanding the basics, right? So now you could start from the very large level or very high scale by some other courses, or actually I'm going to provide you some because like intermediate course, right? So in intermediate course we're looking at the basics. Actually, not it's not the basics, because um, um, some advanced functions, right? That is also more useful. So thanks for watching, and we're also going to look over the many problems here over there, right? So thanks for watching.